Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. A matte black dry, well, it wasn't until I put my wet fingers on it, 16 by 20 inch canvas. And I'm going to start by adding paint and not worry about anything else except for moving it around with my rubber brush as I expect. That's Cerulean Blue. This is Frozen Amethyst, which I will leave the top off of. This is Water Lily. Got some Cyan Aqua, as long as I can get the little tab out of the top. Not sure I got it. And because I've still got some left, I guess it's going to be the Dancing Fuchsia. And whatever else comes to mind. I'm going to grab a rubber brush, or more than one, maybe even. Velvet. I might want to put shapes in. Some frosted berry. I've got jasmine, it just occurred to me. Haven't used any white yet, but I'm thinking I might want to. That's what the frosted berry looks the most like. Ooh, that was cool. I like that. I think it's almost time for a little bit of the yellow orange, if I can get it to come out. I've still got turquoise too. Keep hearing the call to Fandango and I'm trying to avoid it, but I don't think it's going to last much longer. I've been avoiding the red violet, but I think I'm going to use it now. Trying to willy-nilly just go right over the top of things. It's looking a lot like a mosaic, which makes sense. And I'm hearing the call to Blue Velvet. And I'm thinking about putting some black in a dish. Maybe using it to add some lines. I'm not sure yet. Kind of like that. I haven't done anything much with the white. I'm going to use some gold. Okay, it's time to try it. Got a Wilton cake decorating tool with good teeth. Craving something brighter like tickled pink. I'm going to use a little bit more dancing fuchsia. I'm hearing Cyan Aqua now. Well, that was today's therapy. I kind of like it in the vertical as opposed to the horizontal. Ooh, it looks kind of exciting from up here now. So I like the way this dried, but it's been a while and I want some dots. And I think instead of the white, which is okay, I'm going to go for some silver. I'm also contemplating using Cerulean C, Cyan Aqua, Tickled Pink, and Red Violet, unless I change my mind. But mostly I'm going to fast forward through everything I do. So I'm going to start with a paintball on the end of a skewer, and I've got a smaller one on the other end if I decide I want that, and I'm just going to go for it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My created playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.